I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: your Microsoft 365 or Outlook license, working internet, and the account credentials. Once done, open Outlook and choose Add Account to start automatic setup. This saves time because Outlook detects Exchange or Microsoft 365 details. If you plan to use a map or POP, gather incoming/outgoing server names and ports now, because manual entry will be required. Make sure your system updates are applied, so the latest authentication methods are available and compatible. You enter your email and let Outlook try Auto-Discover first. This automates server settings and uses modern authentication when available. If Auto-Discover fails, choose Manual Setup, pick a map or POP, then input the incoming and outgoing server, ports, and SSL/TLS choices. This ensures encrypted mail flow. Once credentials validate, grant permission for mailbox sync and calendar access. Also, enable two-factor authentication on your account and create an app password if Outlook prompts, because that secures access and prevents sign-in errors. You finish by confirming mailbox sync, selecting the default account, and customizing send/receive intervals so messages update reliably. If you have old data, import PSD files or attach archives now to consolidate mail. Adjust mailbox size and retention policies to avoid quota problems. If something goes wrong, first recheck username and password, then verify server ports and SSL settings. Clear cached credentials or disable VPN/firewall temporarily to isolate network issues. Finally,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.